Darío de Regoyos y Valdés was born November 1, 1857, died October 29, 1913, was a Spanish painter. He was notable for contributing to the renewal of modern Spanish painting. A student of Carlos de Haes at the Real Academia de Bellas Artes de San Fernando in 1878, he later studied at the Académie Royale des Beaux-Arts in Brussels. He traveled extensively in the 1880s, accompanied by his friend, the painter Adolfo Guiard. He was a member of the art group L'Essor and a founding member of Les 20 with the Belgian avant-garde scene. During these experiences he gained a significant influence from Impressionist and Neo-Impressionist painters. In his early stage, Regoyos' painting evolved from Naturalism to pre-symbolism, an example being his series The Black Spain, to Impressionism and Pointillism. Being somewhat more daring than Ignacio Zuloaga and Joaquín Sorolla, in his mature stage, he created abundant landscapes on plein air of locations of Vizcaya and Guipúzcoa. His drawing was characterized as being somewhat primary, almost naive, in contrast to his colorful international taste, which was then largely unrivaled in Spain. Notable for contributing to the renewal of modern Spanish painting, in Spain, he is best known for his introduction of Impressionism techniques.